Air India has now confirmed that 241 people on board its London-bound flight were killed when the aircraft crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad airport on Thursday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, will reach Ahmedabad today. We have been given to understand a big breaking news has just come in that he will be reaching Ahmedabad in a short while from now. In fact, the ill-fated flight AI-171 was carrying 242 people on board, 230 passengers and 12 crew members, including 169 Indians, 53 British nationals and 1 Canadian. 7 Portuguese were on board as well. Among the passengers was the former Gujarat's Chief Minister Vijay Rupani as well. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu rushed to the crash site, overseeing the rescue operations and also assessing the damaged cause. In a press briefing, Union Home Minister Amit Shah expressed his deep sorrow, saying the entire nation stands united in grief. He confirmed that the State Disaster Management Authority responded with immediate action.
AI 171 दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हुई और कई पैसेंजर इसके अंदर हताहत होने की संभावनाएं हैं। इस घटना से पूरा देश क्षुब्ध है और पूरा देश एक साथ पूर्ण संवेदनाओं के साथ ये जो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हादसे में पैसेंजर हताहत हुए हैं, इनके परिजनों के साथ खड़ा है। सबसे पहले मैं भारत सरकार, गुजरात सरकार, भारत सरकार के प्रधानमंत्री जी और गुजरात सरकार की ओर से भी जो लोग हताहत हुए हैं, इनके परिजनों के प्रति गहरी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। 10 ही मिनटों में हादसे के भारत सरकार के पास सूचना पहुंची। तुरंत ही मैंने मुख्यमंत्री जी, यहाँ के गृह मंत्री, होम डिपार्टमेंट के कंट्रोल रूम, सिविल एविएशन डिपार्टमेंट, सिविल एविएशन मंत्री, सभी से संपर्क किया। प्रधानमंत्री जी का भी तुरंत ही फोन आ गया और भारत सरकार और गुजरात सरकार के सभी डिपार्टमेंट एक साथ होकर राहत और बचाव कार्य में लगे। इस विमान में कुल मिलाकर 230 यात्री देश के और विदेश के और 12 क्रू मेंबर सवार थे। इसमें से एक यात्री का बचने का अच्छा समाचार मिला है, मैं उनको मिलकर आया हूं। मृत्यु का आंकड़ा तो डीएनए परीक्षण और यात्रियों की पहचान के बाद ही अथॉरिटी अधिकृत रूप से घोषित करेगी, मगर जो यात्री बचा है उसको मैं मिलकर आया हूं। घटना के तुरंत बाद गुजरात सरकार ने बहुत त्वरा से डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट की सारी इकाइयों को अलर्ट करते हुए, चाहे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट हो, चाहे फायर ब्रिगेड हो।
Thick plumes of black smoke blanketed the sky as firefighters and ambulances swarmed the crash site. Eyewitnesses described a deafening roar followed by a fiery explosion that ripped through the college hostel. We are speaking about one of the most famous government medical colleges of Gujarat, BJ Medical College here. Twisted metal and debris from the aircraft were seen embedded in the charred remains of the building. Several students are feared dead, with some in fact also rushed to the nearby civil hospital in a critical condition. According to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the pilot had issued a mayday call shortly after takeoff at around 1:38 p.m. The 787 Dreamliner, though a technological marvel since its launch back in the year of 2009, has had a checkered safety record, with recurring issues involving hydraulic leaks, flap malfunctions and faulty tires. The Air India plane crashed in Ahmedabad had just one miracle survivor. The survivor, who is in fact undergoing a treatment, has been identified as Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, a British national who was returning to London after Gujarat's visit. Reports claim that he was sitting on seat 11A and was rescued by the police following the crash. Recounting the horrible incident, he said that 30 seconds after the takeoff, there was a loud noise and then the plane crashed. It all happened so quickly. When I got up, there were bodies all around me. I was scared. I stood up and ran. There were pieces of plane all around me. Someone grabbed hold of me and put me in an ambulance and brought me to the hospital. Let's discuss this further. Without any further ado, aviation expert Wing Commander Alok Sahai joining us on the broadcast early this morning. So thank you so much for joining the chat here at News 9. Wing Commander Sahai, whose mistake was it? Were the red flags about Dreamliner, do you think, were ignored?
I do not think, Sakshi, I do not think that, there is some serious question mark on the performance of Bombardier, the 787, because, see, there had been some issues in 2013 when its battery system was found defective and many Bombardiers across the globe were grounded, including Indian Bombardiers were also grounded at that time by the DGCA. But thereafter, there had been no serious cases of, there is no noticeable cases of Bombardier being reported as having some faulty, technical issues. I don't remember. But this incident clearly shows that there had been a serious malfunction in this aircraft. Because if you see at the time of takeoff, the flaps and the slats, which are kept in the extended mode, it is bent downward after the extended mode to create air pressure from the bottom so that the aircraft gets the lift. That is not visible in this short video. That is disturbing me because in the takeoff mode, the slats and flaps should be kept downwards.